Hello from the ancient city of Side in Turkey on the Mediterranean coast. It is 9th of June 2025, 4:20 p.m. and we have stunning 30 degrees Celsius in the air, and on this spot that it is quite deep and out on the open sea, it is only 25 degrees Celsius in the water I have just measured, which is a lot colder than on the nearby sandy beaches, of which one I can see that I was yesterday. And as you have seen in the intro, I am right in front of the famous Apollo temple, a Roman temple dating from 150 after Christ, that is dedicated to the Roman and Greek god of music, light and harmony, Apollo, or Apollon in Greek, that is. So I wanted to show you a bit of a different beach other than those beautiful sandy beaches that you have already seen. So today it will be an adventure, because this is not a public beach. As you can see, it is just rocks, and you know that I have a soft spot for rocks, and I obviously want to take a swim here, even though it is not super safe. But at least the sea is a bit calm, so I'm gonna enjoy a nice swim with look on the historic temple of Apollo, as you can see also over there. That's the temple right there, as you have seen it also in a bigger picture in the beginning of this vlog. It is day 3 of my vacation in Side, and I have been sleeping a lot today as well, as the same as yesterday. So maybe I need to start getting a bit early to see how the water is in the morning. But I'm also sleeping quite late, so I did get anyway 8 hours of sleep despite getting up at 10:30 in the morning. So yeah, new beach spot for me. If you want to take a swim close to the Apollo temple, this is the one for you. Now let's find a safe way to get in. I found it interesting here that there are some spaces, open holes here in the rocks that have been filled with water from when the sea is a bit more dangerous than this. So let's then be careful with the entrance into the water here, but I see here it is deep enough to go in, so it's gonna be perfect indeed. All right, so I'll be ready for a swim in the Mediterranean Sea, because I am for sure. I see some crabs here walking here and there, so I'm not sure. I'm a bit hesitant, but hope they won't bite me. Let's see. I think I see here a better spot to get in. This looks much better indeed. Maybe I can also jump. It's perfect. All right. All right, then ready, set, and go. It was perfect. It was perfect indeed. It's quite, let's see how deep it is. It's a lot deeper than I thought. It looks that is a bit shallow, but yeah, with the view of the ancient temple of Apollo, I'm having a swim at this wild beach in Side, Turkey, or formerly known as Turkey. And I don't blame them for changing the name, as it is the name of a bird that is being eaten for Thanksgiving in the United States. So that's a bummer. to change your name to distinguish your country from that. But Turkiye is even a better name. I love it. It's great. So yeah, I'm now here out on the open sea, all alone in these fields of rocks and overlooking the ancient temple of Apollon. So that is a wrap from this beach adventure. It's so nice here because it's 25 degrees in the water. It's not that warm. It's quite refreshing. So I'm gonna be then heading now to the actual sandy beach to relax. I won't film another beach adventure because I filmed from there yesterday, from the East Beach, where it is so nice and there is nobody and super sandy as well. So thank you so much for watching this episode from this ancient spot where the ancient civilization has been living for hundreds and thousands of years. So greetings from Side, close to the Apollo Temple, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris!